You're tiny, you're infinite.
You're unique. My potential inside. You're heaven within my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge it with all my might. I shall achieve you, my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Very good morning. Come on, all of you, show me your balloons. Where are your balloons?
Balloon.
Everyone have your balloon? Yes, everyone got balloon in your hand? And everyone is ready with your pot drawing also? Pot. Everyone is ready with that? Yes, children, all of you. Tarnika, where is your balloon? Blow your balloon, come on. All of you blow your balloon and keep it ready. We are going to play, okay? Before that, we'll finish our attendance, okay? Darshika. Dev Krish. Danvin. Dikshan.
My name is Dithan. I'm in 4 years old. I'm in Saringan Junior KG.
Very good. Farnaz. Hashini.
My name is Asini. I am studying in Junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am Gigigan.
Okay. Janavi.
My name is Asini. I am in Gigigan forever. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome.
Okay. Kartikeyan. Very good, Kartikeyan. Kavyani.
Ma'am, Kavyani joining, ma'am. Give me a few minutes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll put present for her, okay? Mark it as present. Nitek.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in Junior KG. I
Very
am
good,
4
Nitik.
years old.
Okay. Nukshita. Pranita. Rohita is absent today. Ritvik. Ritvik.
My name is Natri.
Mm.
I am studying in Junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Mm.
I am
That's it. That's it. You will not forget that. Okay. Nitila.
My name is I'm a KG girl.
Very good, Nitila. Satvika.
My name is Satika Sri. I'm studying in Junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Okay. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in Junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Okay. Vishank. Vishank.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Shank.
morning.
My name is Vishal.
My name is Sushank.
I'm studying
I'm studying in
junior KG.
Junior KG.
Happy Pongal.
Happy
Very
Pongal
good.
to all of you.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Vishank. Vidyut. Vidyut. Zedi. Zedi. Zedi.
Good
Come on,
morning,
Zedi.
ma'am. My name is Jedi. I am 4 years old. I am studying in Junior KG. I am physical.
Girl, very good. Okay, now all of you blow your balloons. Come on. Blow your balloon. Call your parents, anyone. And they have to hold the balloon high up like this. And you are going to jump and touch the balloon for 3 times. 3 chances will be given. And in that 3 chance, you have to jump and touch the balloon. Your parents are holding in your hand, no? That balloon, you have to jump and touch it. Afterwards, you both together, okay? Your mama, papa or you both are together going to burst the balloon. Okay, you are going to tightly hug yourself and you are going to burst it. Okay, first you have to jump and touch it and then you are going to burst it. Okay, ready for the activity? Ready? Yes, come on, all of you, call your parents, come on. Parents, hold the balloon high. They have to jump and touch it. Give them 3 chances. Okay, I'll call one by one. Let us see. Okay, first is, whom shall I call? Hashni. One by one we'll see, okay? Hashni.
Yes, ma'am.
3 chances for you. First chance.
Jump.
Second chance. Third chance. No, Hashni. Okay. Just give her a chance. No, this is not fair. Hashni's dad.
Okay.
Yeah, wow. Very good. Okay. Next is Janavi. Thank you so much, Hashni. Take the balloon in your hand and sit down. Next, we are going to burst it, okay? Next is Janavi.
अब इसको जंप करके इसको छुओ
Janavi. Janavi. Ready? Come on, start. Jump and touch that balloon. Come on. Jump. 3. Touch the. Yeah. Touch the balloon. Very good, Janavi. Well done. Okay, next is whom shall I ask? Dikshan. Dikshan. Ready, steady, go. 1. Holding the balloon, Dikshan. Come on. Very good, very good. Okay, good. Next is Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan, ready? Hold your balloon in your hand, children. Karthikeyan. You have, yeah, hold it. Jump and touch it, ma. Jump, jump. Yeah. Have a good day, Kavyani. You too. Come on, be ready with your balloon, Kavyani. Next, you are going to do the activity. Karthikeyan, touch the balloon. Now get the balloon. Get the balloon. Get the balloon. Good, Karthikeyan. Well done. Next is Kavyani. Kavyani, ready?
I'm getting balloon.
Okay.
Getting balloon.
Okay. When you get it, you call me, okay? Naitek. Ready, Naitek? Come on. Ready, steady, go. Come on.
touch it
Jump and touch it. Touch it. And now hold the balloon. Hold it, hold it. Hold. Jump and hold it. So easily you got that balloon, huh? Yeah, good. Good, Naitik. Very good. Okay, next is Ritvik. Very good, Ritvik. Ritvik. Very good, Naitik. Come on, Ritvik. Ritvik. Ready? Come on. Jump and touch it. No cheating. Jump, jump. See, you cheated in that musical chair, no? So only Mama is not letting you touch that balloon. That's why. Yeah, touch it. Now get the balloon. Jump and get the balloon. Jump and get the balloon. See, he's holding your hand. Cheater, cheater. Cheating. This boy is cheating. Okay. Next is Ritvik. Finish. Satvika.
ma'am sorry
Vika.
ma'am no balloon
No
she
balloon,
already burst the balloon ma'am
Burst. Okay. Then what shall we do? What shall we hold and make her touch it?
what shall we
Okay,
do?
take a towel and make it like a ball. Let her jump and touch it.
Okay ma'am
Why, Satvika? Come on. Now jump and touch it. Jump. Jump, jump. Okay, very good, Satvika. Well done, Satvika. Good. Kavyani, ready, yeah? Very good, Satvika. Kavyani, ready? Come on, do the activity, Kavyani. Jump and touch the balloon. Ask your daddy to hold the balloon and then you are going to jump and touch it. Ready, steady, go. Very nice. Good. Got it, well done. Good. Get the balloon, get the balloon. Get the balloon. Very good. Okay, next is Tarnika. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep the balloon in your hand, children. Keep the balloon in your hand.
Jump in.
Tarnika. Jump, 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 Tarnika.
Jump in.
Jump and do it. Yeah, good. Very good, Tarnika. Well done. Next is Vishank. Vishank is ready?
Ma'am, not yet, ma'am. Just send someone to
Not
my.
yet. Why you don't have balloon, Vishank?
Yes.
If you don't have balloon, you can use a towel.
Towel.
Roll it like a ball and you make him touch it.
Okay, ma'am. Give me
Everyone
5
are
minutes.
doing the activity, no?
Give me 5 minutes, ma'am. I've just asked
Yeah,
someone
okay.
to get it.
Okay. Zeddy. 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 Come on, Zeddy, fast. Jump and touch, no cheating. Come on, get the balloon. Now, children, all of you are going to tightly hug with your parents and you are going to burst the balloon. Okay, very good, Zaidi. Now, hold tight. Hold the balloon tight with your parents and burst it. Come on, who is going to burst it first? Let me see. Unmute and do it. Let me hear it. Unmute yourself and do it, children. Hashini.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you and your parents should hug together. Both of you should press and burst the balloon. Come on.
Hasni is scared.
Scared?
She doesn't.
Why, Hashni? Okay, you
does
don't
not
want to
burst
burst the balloon. No one wants to burst it, huh? No one, huh? Okay. Those who are scared, leave it. Those who are not scared, you burst it. Come on. Very good, Nightig. Zaidi also doesn't want to burst it. Janvi also, huh? Oh my God, children. You're all scared of it, huh? Okay, children. Okay. It's okay. No need to burst it. It's okay. You keep it with you and you play with that balloon. Okay? Okay. Very good. Okay. What is the celebration today, children? What is the celebration today?
Pongal.
Yes? Yeah, today is Pongal celebration, right? So that only you all have dressed so beautifully today. Okay? So ma'am is going to show you some pictures regarding the celebration. Shall we see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, can you see my screen? Yes, can you see my screen, parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, first, happy Pongal to everyone. Okay? Happy Pongal. Do you know anything about Pongal? Pongal is a, yeah, okay. Pongal is a harvest festival, okay? Pongal is a, yes, ma, Vishank. Yeah, happy Pongal. We'll say it in the end of the session, okay? First listen, okay? Pongal is a harvest festival and it is celebrated all around Tamil Nadu, okay? And also in Andhra Pradesh and all, okay? And so it is called as a harvest festival. As well we say as Pongal. What do you get it in your mind? Pongal means what do you get it in your mind? Pongal. Then answer, children. Yes? Chakra Pongal, okay. Then what do you remember? What your parents will buy? You would have seen, no? Sugar cane, okay. Sugar cane, then Karumbu, okay. Sugar cane, next. Then what is in the screen? Sweets, right? Sweets, okay. Then You will wear new dresses. All your family members will wear new dresses, and you go to temple also. Okay. So as we say the word Pongal, we all remember these things. Okay. And then before this Pongal is celebrated for 4 days. Okay, first day we celebrate it as Bogi. That day what we do, we used to burn all the old things. Okay, so in that case, we burn all the old things to say that we have to forget all the bad things that happened all over the year. Okay, and next is the Surya Pongal or Thai Pongal. It is dedicated to the sun god. Okay, and next Pongal is, what is this? Mattu Pongal. Why do we celebrate Mattu Pongal? Because it is used for farming, right? For agriculture, farming, they are using to plow the field the whole year, and to do gratitude to the cattle, we are celebrating the Mattu Pongal. On that day, what do? We used to decorate the cows like this, and then they used to do pujas and all. Okay, for the cow. Next, and they used to tie color balloons on their horns, and they go around the village very happily. They love their cattle very much. So they celebrate Mattu Pongal in a very, 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 very special manner. Okay. And another thing which is very special about Mattu Pongal, anybody knows this? What is it? What is it? Anyone knows? Yeah, very good, Vishant. Jallikattu also will take place on that day, okay? And next, and the last celebration is the Kanum Pongal. We all go out with our family together and visit many sites. We enjoy the day. Okay, and that's it for the session. And once again, very happy Pongal today. Happy Pongal to everyone.
Happy Pongal.
Yeah. Thank you, children. Next, Tarnika is also going to talk about Pongal. Shall we see that? Yeah, Tarnika, are you ready, Tarnika?
Ready, ma'am.
Come on.
Shall we start?
Come on,
now?
Tarnika. Yeah, Tarnika, start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanika. I am going to talk about Pongal.
Slowly, Tarnika.
Slowly.
Tarnika, slowly.
Pongal is one
Little
of
bit back, Tarnika. Little bit back. We are not able to see. Even more back.
No, for the back.
Otherwise, you arrange your camera. Yeah, correct now.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanika. I am going to talk about Pongal. Pongal is one of the biggest tribal festivals. It's celebrated in South India on 14 January. It is the festival of farmers. It is also called as Thai Pongal in Tamil Nadu, which is the 10th month of Tamil calendar. The word Pongal means overflowing. Pongal is celebrated for 4 days. First day is celebrated as Bogi Pongal, where people discard old items. Second day is celebrated as Surya Pongal, which is dedicated to sun god. Third day is celebrated as Mattu Pongal, where castles are decorated and worshipped. Fourth day is celebrated as Kanum Pongal. One of the special events for the Pongal is bullfight or Jallikattu. Thank you. Happy Pongal.
Very good, Tarnika. Well done, Tarnika. Very well said. Okay, now we are going to see some performances. Okay, first who is going to perform? Yes, Satvika is going to perform. Then Kavyani. Then Huma.
Asini.
Hashni is going to sing. Then who
Nithila,
else?
ma'am.
Nithila.
Nithila, ma'am.
Okay. First, we'll hear a song. We'll hear a song from Hashni. Okay, Hashni, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, come on,
ma'am.
Hashni.
Pongal வருது கொண்டாடலாம் வாங்க உழைக்கும் அந்த உழவரெல்லாம் நன்றி சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒளி கொடுக்கும் சூரியனும் நமக்கு தெய்வம் தாங்க. இயற்கைக்கு நன்றி சொல்லி கொண்டாடலாம் வாங்க. பொங்கல் வருது பொங்கல் வருது கொண்டாடலாம் வாங்க. உழைக்கும் அந்த உழவரெல்லாம் நன்றி சொல்லுவாங்க. இன்னைக்கும் நல்ல சக்கரை பொங்கல் சாப்பிடலாம் வாங்க. தித்திக்கும் கரும்பு கொஞ்சம் கடித்து பாருங்க நீங்க. அழகா புது துணிகள் அப்பா வாங்கினாங்க. புத்தாடு போட ஆட மாட்ட பாருங்க. பொங்கல் வருது கொண்டாடலாம் வாங்க. உழைக்கும் அந்த உழவரெல்லாம் நன்றி சொல்லுவோம் வாங்க. மஞ்சள் இஞ்சி கட்டிய பனையில் பொங்கல் கொதிக்குது. மங்களமான வாழ்க்கைக்கு மழவும் வேண்டுது இங்கே. வளர்ந்த உழவரெல்லாம் உழந்து வாழ வேண்டும். அந்த பொங்கலை பால வாழ்க்கை இன்பு பொங்கல் வேண்டும். பொங்கல் வருது கொண்டாடலாம் வாங்க. உழைக்கும் அந்த உழவரெல்லாம் நன்றி சொல்லுவோம் வாங்க. பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் பொங்கலோ பொங்கல். Thank you, ma'am.
Children, all of you clap hands. Clap hands for Hashni. Very nice, Hashni. Well done. Thank you so much, Hashni. Okay. Next, Nitila is going to perform. Okay, Nitila, are you ready?
Yeah.
Nitila.
Kavyani, ready, ma'am?
Okay, next is Kavyani. Okay, first Nitila, let her finish. Adjust the camera, no? Nithila's mom.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Right, we can see her. Children, you can pin Nithila's name and see how she is performing. Nithila's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Song, can you increase the volume?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am. Volume.
Play the song near the speaker. Then it will be high volume then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's it, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Nitila. Very well done. Very well. Good. Children, clap hands and encourage your children. Come on, all of you, unmute yourself and clap for Nitila.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good. Thank you so much, Nitila. It was really awesome. Very good, Nitila. Okay, next is Kavyani. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Ready? Walker ready? Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Okay.
ஆயா போட்ட வெத்தல பாக்கிலாம பத்தல புகையிலாம சுத்தல புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா தப்பில்லை. ஆயா போட்ட வெத்தல பாக்கிலாம பத்தல புகையிலாம சுத்தல புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா தப்பில்லை. உன்னாங்கல்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா ஒத்தியான செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு உன்னாங்கல்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா ஒத்தியான செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு ஈரியா பிரண்டையா ஈயகா புதண்டையா ராமநாத கொண்டையா ஆட்டுக்கடா தண்டையா தண்டு முத்தன தண்டுதான் தாமர பூதண்டுதான் அத்தபத்த அழகு புள்ள ஆணு பொண்ணு ரெண்டுதான். தண்டு முத்தன தண்டுதான் தாமர பூதண்டுதான் அத்தபத்த.
Ma'am, is she visible, ma'am?
Yeah, she is visible only.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Pasal kali, you roll us up.
ஒண்ணு ரெண்டுதா 2 3 5 5 5 10 நவரக்கா பிஞ்சுதா. ஆயா போட்ட வெத்தல பாக்கிலாம பத்தல புகையிலாம சுத்தல புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா தப்பில்லை. ஆயா போட்ட வெத்தல பாக்கிலாம பத்தல புகையிலாம சுத்தல புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா தப்பில்லை. உன்னாங்கல்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா ஒத்தியான செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு உன்னாங்கல்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா ஒத்தியான செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு ஈரியா பிரண்டையா ஈயகா புதண்டையா ராமநாத கொண்டையா ஆட்டுக்கடா சண்டையா தண்டு முத்தன தண்டுதான் தாமர பூதண்டுதான் அத்தபத்த அழகு புள்ள ஆணு பொண்ணு ரெண்டுதான். தண்டு முத்தன தண்டுதான் தாமர பூதண்டுதான் அத்தபத்த அழகு புள்ள ஆணு பொண்ணு ரெண்டுதான். நாங்கள்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா ரத்தின கொலுசு செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு நாங்கள்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா ரத்தின கொலுசு செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு மூணரவண சந்தியில முத்துரசா பந்தியில மூவாட்டி ஆத்துல ராமேஸ்வரத்தில முவா முவா நல்லண்ணே மூணாழாக்கு வேப்பண்ணே மூணு தோப்பு இழுப்பண்ணே முழுகி குளிச்ச வழக்குண்ணே முவா நல்லண்ணே மூணாழாக்கு வேப்பண்ணே மூணு தோப்பு இழுப்பண்ணே முழுகி குளிச்ச வழக்குண்ணே மூணாங்கல்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா முத்து தரம் செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு மூணாங்கல்ல எடுத்து போட்டுக்கு என் முத்தம்மா முத்து தரம் செஞ்சு போட்டுக்கு அதனால வச்சு இரண்டோடு நாராயணன் பேரோடு நாடு குத்தி மீன் குத்தி நப்பா பழங்குத்தி நாலு மலை ரோட்டோரம் நடுவில் உள்ள ஆத்தோரம் நாலு தங்கலி கூடா ரயிலடியில் வியாபாரம் நாலு மலை ரோட்டோரம் நடுவில் உள்ள ஆத்தோரம் நாலு தங்கலி கூடா ரயிலடியில் வியாபாரம் நாலாங்கல்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா நாகரத்தினம் செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு நாலாங்கல்ல எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு என் முத்தம்மா நாகரத்தினம் செஞ்சு போட்டுட்டு
Ma'am, that's it, ma'am.
Wow, awesome. High five, Kavyani. High five. Yeah, good. Who taught you, ma? Who taught you this song? Who taught you? Yaar solli kudutanga?
My mummy.
Mummy, yeah, give a big hug to your mummy. Come on. Amma ko oru periya hug kudunga. It was really nice. Thank you so much, Kavyani's mom. Really awesome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Within a short time, you have taught us so much. Thank you so much. Very good. Thank you, Kavyani. Okay, next is Satvika. Come on, Satvika.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, innilla.
Satvika.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೈ ತಟ್ಟಾರೆ, ಓಕೆ? ಅಮ್ಮಗ. Go, Satvika, go. Satvika. That's all, ma'am.
Very nice, Satvika. Very good. Well done. Thank you so much. Children, clap hands for Satvika. Come on, clap hands for Satvika, everyone. Very good, Satvika. Thank you so much, Satvika. Okay, anyone else is going to perform? Anyone else? Ready? Anyone else, children? We are going to start our drawing activity. If you are going to perform, please let me know. No one, huh? Okay. Thank you so much for the participants who also participated in dance, song and everything. Thank you so much. Now, children, let's start the activity. Come on, all of you, bring your pot. Yes, Zeddy.
Ma'am, Zeddy wants to dance, ma'am, but not to practice, ma'am. Wants
She
to
knows
dance,
to
ma'am,
dance,
anyway.
let her dance. Play the
Yeah,
song,
ma'am.
let her dance. Ready, Zeddy? Can't hear the song, Zeddy.
That's it, ma'am.
Hey, very good, Zeddy. But you tried it. Very good. Well done. Thank you so much, Zeddy. Okay, children, now everyone take your pot. Let's start coloring. Take your pot. Yeah, well done. Take your pot, children. Yes, Janavi? Want to say anything? Janavi. Janavi, are you dancing, Janavi?
Ma'am, she was crying, ma'am. Just I had played a song for a minute, ma'am.
She's dancing, means let her dance.
Thank you, ma'am. That's it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Come on, all of you take your A4 sheet in which you have drawn the pot. Okay, join the dots and make a pot. Come on. And then start coloring, children. Start to color. Come on. Color beautifully. Take a snap and send it in group, children. Okay. Start coloring now. Hashini. Hashini, let me see what you're coloring. Show me your face. Yeah, very nice. Good. Okay, next. Okay. Janavi, show me a pot. Started coloring. Huh? Why are you standing, ma? You're not going to color?
No,
Why? Where is your pot? Already colored, ah? Very good, Janavi. Then put that white color that. Ishank, start coloring, ma. Ishank. What are you arguing with your dad? What happened? What happened, Vishank?
மேம் பானையில வந்து ட்ரீ வேணும் மேம்
That is not tree. That is sugar cane, no? Okay, come on, draw, draw. Draw whatever you want, you can draw. It's your wish only. Naitik. What are you doing, Naitik? Let me see what you're coloring. Like this only you will color, ah? First, how should you start? You should finish first the border only, okay? And then color in the middle. Okay, Naitik? Ritvik. Good, Ritvik. Come on, color, color. Do it. Very nice. Kartikeyan. Are you coloring? Show me what you're doing. Oh, now only you're drawing, ah? Good.
Okay.
Good. Do it. Arnika. Arnika.
Coloring, ma'am.
Yeah, nice. Color.
ஐயோ இரு
Vanilla, ma'am. I think.
Yes. Naitik, color properly, Naitik. Color Zedi, color. Diction finish, ma?
Coloring, ma'am.
Finished, coloring, color. Very nice, Hashni. Rest of the part, color. Color the sugar cane.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Why, ma, Hashni? What happened? Why, ma? Your daddy,
Ma'am, I just helped her, but she wants to color it. So that's
Why are you helping like that? Very bad. I'm going to give punishment to your daddy, see. Okay, you don't cry. Come on, you color, Makana. Come on, you're a good girl. Don't cry.
Okay.
You do it on your own. Hereafter, he won't help you, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, Tanika, ma'am.
Very nice, Tarnika. 1 minute, Tarnika. Tarnika, show your face, ma. Yeah, good. Thank you, Tarnika. Next, who else finished? Very good. Take a snap and send it in group, Tarnika's mom,
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah.
along with the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika. Very good, Satvika. Well done. Very nice, Satvika. Take a snap along with it and send it in group. Okay, Satvika?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Satvika. Night. Finished a night. Ritvik, where are you?